Here it is given that an ideal gas undergoes a circular cycle as shown in figure, and find the ratio of maximum temperature of cycle to the minimum temperature of cycle. So over here a cyclic process is given and it is represented in a PV curve, and that process is exactly happening in a circular path. According to the given diagram, we can observe that the value of pressure over here is represented by P naught, and over here it is represented by 3P naught. Volume is represented by V naught. Here it is represented by 3V naught. So the basically radius of this circular path, we can take it as nothing but V naught, or we can take it as P naught. So basically P naught is equal to nothing but V naught. Now our aim is to find out what value or at which point the ratio of maximum temperature, and at which point we will get a minimum temperature. So according to the ideal gas equation, that is PV is equal to nRT, we can say that over here this T will have its maximum value when this term P into V is maximum. So according to this question, the value of P into V will have its maximum value when P is equal to V. Now we can find out the points where the value of P is equal to V. So if P is equal to V, then we can say that if you are just drawing a line which is taking an angle 45 degree with respect to the P axis or V axis, then exactly at each and every point the value of P or the value of V will be same. So in this situation we can just observe that there are 2 points. At this point or at this point, the value of P and V are same, and it is touching that particular graph. So at this point we will get the maximum value of pressure temperature. So over here this will get a T max, and at this point we will get the minimum value of temperature. Let's say that is T minimum. So our aim is to find out the value of T max divided by T minimum. Now we know that the value of T is equal to PV divided by NR. So at this particular point we can find out what about the value of pressure. Now the center of this particular circle is at a coordinate 2V naught, and the radius of the circle is equal to nothing but V naught. So we can find out what about its coordinate or x coordinate, which is over here it is making an angle 45 degree. So component of V naught along this direction is nothing but V naught cos 45, that is basically V naught divided by root 2. So we can write the coordinate of this point, means the x coordinate, which is basically 2V naught plus V naught divided by root 2. Like that we can write its y coordinate by using the same method. So the value of V naught or the value of P naught are same. So if you are writing its y coordinate, that is over here it is 2P naught plus this distance, which is equal to P naught cos 45. So same as like this, we can write its y coordinate of this particular point is nothing but 2P naught plus P naught divided by root 2. By using the same idea, we can find out what about the value of x coordinate of this particular point. So over here again this distance is equal to V naught, this angle is also equal to 45, so this distance will be equal to V naught divided by root 2. So we can find out the coordinate of this point. So coordinate of this points are, the x coordinate will be equal to 2V naught minus V naught divided by root 2. Like that the value of y coordinate becomes equal to nothing but 2P naught minus p naught divided by root 2. Now from that equation, t is equal to pv divided by nr. We can write the maximum value of temperature will be equal to the coordinate of its maximum point is nothing but 2p naught plus p naught divided by root 2 into 2v naught plus v naught divided by root 2 divided by nr. Seems like that we can write the value of T minimum, that is equal to 2p naught minus p naught divided by root 2 into 2v naught minus v naught divided by root 2 divided by nr. If you are going for their ratio, that is T max divided by T minimum, so it will be, we can take this p naught v naught as common, so it is p naught v naught into 2 root 2 plus 1 into 2 root 2 plus 1, that is 2 root 2 plus 1 the whole square divided by this nr and nr will get cancelled, and it is p naught v naught into 2 root 2 minus 1 the whole square. So we can write the final answer for it, that is T max divided by T minimum is equal to 2 root 2 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2 minus 1 the whole square. Or if you are multiplying with root 2 in each and every term, then you will get it as something like 2 root 2 into root 2, that is 2 into 2, that is 4 plus root 2 divided by 4 minus root 2 the whole square. So according to the given option, option 4 is correct.